No, we don't.
And this is awesome.
Let's put it in now. Get the pink can. Totally melted.
Oh yeah.
There's like none left of it, just chocolate residue. Let's see how the other one does.
It's already turning into goop.
I think it already is goop.
You have to touch it to see. Oh yeah, you know what? I think it's.
Look at
oh
that.
My gosh, it's goop.
It's literally pouring out there. Look at that. It's goop. Our conclusion? Chocolate
It's melted.
and heat
Yeah.
do not
Our
mix.
our point is, it's very, very hot outside.
Let's see if that's any more goopier. Let me try holding the magnifying glass. You take the camera. No. There we go. Let's see that. It's pinprick accuracy. The shadow of the camera is over it. Try like that. See, look at that. It's melting.
Yeah.
Look at that. The tinfoil is even harder now. Yeah, what, Pink Flash? Well, ask me later. The camera's still shadowing.
Okay.
Stop!
I'm trying not to.
Okay, let's see if it's any more gooey.
Oh yeah.
Oh God!
It's like pour. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Let's compare this to that. Okay, so the one without the wrapper melted surprisingly really quick. Well, I thought this one. I thought the one with the wrapper was gonna melt faster. Well, we did start them at 2 different times, but still, this thing hasn't melted much.
All that stuff you see is chocolate.
So I think I thought it was gonna be this one, the one with the light shining on it, because it's just like, well, the tin foil projects heat off to it. But let's have some fun. I mean, film me doing this. Okay, today for our second experiment, we're going to take one of these quick dissolving aspirin tablets and put it into this full
big
cup of water. It's, I'd say, about maybe a little bit more than 1 liter. But there are a few things we'd like to put into consideration. One being, it is a hot day and it's almost summer. 2, it's warm water and there's lots of it. And this might be more damp than it is in your mouth. In fact, we're almost sure that it is. And third is that we're using one type of aspirin tablets.
One thing,
We're using one type of aspirin tablets, which means that the outcome might be different with a different type of aspirin tablet. So we're going to go ahead and put it in, and we're going to use the camera's time to record it. We're starting on 1:15.
That's good. And you should have watched the chocolate video. I think I have a little chocolate wrapper. Yum. Not so yum. Yum before.
Okay, looks like it's almost all dissolved, but we'll go check that as soon as we go back inside. Okay, we're back here inside, and we're gonna see how accurate we can get this. And according to the camera's time, we started at about 1:15 seconds is when I dropped in the tablet, and here it is now, almost all dissolved. And a little bit different than what it was a couple seconds ago when we recorded the first part of this video. But it still should be pretty accurate. So we're going to pour some of this water into the sink. Oh, and by the way, if you weren't paying attention to the time, it was about maybe 19 seconds when it was all done and melted, like how it is now. Okay. Yep, it's all dust.
Let me see.
Yeah, you can try.
It's dust.
Powder. And that's all we have for this experiment. So the answer is about 19 seconds. It might be a little less because your muscles are going to be moving in your mouth. But should be pretty accurate besides from the dampness issues.
Yep.
So just somewhere around 19 to 30 seconds.
Hello, this is Bobo the Monster, and we're going to try a experiment that I did in science. And what's going to happen is this is gonna come up.
At least that's what we think it's gonna do.
Yeah. And sometimes what happens is you might get a pink and the yellow.
What happened last time was the breeze was just too strong and fell in. But it still worked.
Here, let's see it.
Okay.
It's gonna rise.
It's rising. Put it down a little more. Put it down.
It's working.
See? That started out as just a small line and now it's going up.
It took a while in science, but when I did it at home, it didn't. Paper towels, they say, work pretty good.
And there we go. The experiment did work. And that's all we have for that experiment. Check out part 2. Posted in about, well, as soon as we finish it. Bye!